Oh man, I'm such a chud. I'm such a chud. I'm such a chud. Lost again today, boys. Shit tough. But no news today on Wednesday, 22nd. Let's just get this shit over with. Coming to the day, I mean, we're still pretty bullish. I mean, yeah, look at the daily. And then just look at the 4 hour, still bullish. Coming to the day, we were rangy. I noticed pre-market ranging 4 hour. Can't really tell in my opinion. But on the 1 hour, we're just kind of in this little area right here. So I kept that noted, making sure I don't force anything because I tend to not do well on these type of conditions, these type of days. So if I was going to take something, I needed to see volume, I needed to see clear direction, things like that. And it also had to be a long because it's not going to be smart trying to short, but still found a way to lose today. Anyways, so NQ was the more bullish pair today, and that is something I learned today. And it's kind of the same mistake I made in a previous trade like last week. It is to trade the more bullish or bearish trend, or bullish or bearish asset. In this case, the more bullish asset was NQ, and I took it on ES. And the reason why was because it had more draws and liquidity because NQ was at all-time highs. But I mean, I'm essentially, for my trade to hit on ES, a good move has to happen on NQ. And so, just because it has nice draws on liquidity and NQ doesn't, it's still more logical to take it on NQ. So, and also, the pullback or retracements that happen on the lagging index, or the lagging asset, it's not going to be as significant than it is on the lagging asset. And so when I'm getting stopped out on those retracements, I probably wouldn't get stopped out on the retracements on NQ because it's the more bullish pair, bullish asset. And so I believe it got stopped out one of these candles, and look at that retracement compared to ES. Like, look at this deep retracement, like right here. It's 935. Wait, let's say if I took the same trade, I probably would have had my stop, maybe down here. And who knows? I mean, horrible barcode price action, but would I have gotten stopped out compared to ES? So let's go over the trade I took on ES. I wasn't even on the 1 minute. I've been taking execution purely off the 5 minute. But yeah, every day's a learning experience. Every single day I gotta find something to learn from it. I gotta learn something every day, and I knew that, but I didn't really try to learn something. I say that, but am I actually trying to learn something? But yeah. Okay, yeah. This was the trade. So I was looking on the 15 minute for a 15-minute gas potentially. I saw it be made, so this is what this box is. It's 15-minute gap. And then me seeing this reaction, filling this 5-minute gap, 15-minute gap, and then seeing a bullish reaction out of it. I really like to see that. And it made sense to me because, like, if we're bullish, in which we are, we're seeing more volume to, we're getting close to these highs. And so I'm seeing that. I'm seeing a reaction out of a bearish or bullish confluences getting respected. I thought it was a nice 5-minute candle close. I entered off of that. Had my stop at this this low, not this low, but this low. Ended up just getting stopped out. I was gonna go break even at this, at this point, pretty close to my entry, but yeah, I just got stopped out. We can scale down to 1 minute and see how it looks, I guess. Just like, it's more of the story in these past 2 months. Just probably been my worst stretch Not only because I just been losing, but I don't know. I really just don't know what to take. I feel like I just. I mean, I know what I'm looking for, but also at the same time, I don't know what I'm looking for because I'm getting told to like. I don't know. I'm getting told to like not mechanically take trades based on like a set defined, looking exactly for this, because I guess it makes sense. You're not gonna be. I mean, I'm not gonna say that because I know that's not true, but also I don't know if that's 100% true. But what I was gonna say is that someone told me that you're not gonna be profitable just following a system. It can only take you so far. Like you also got to take in the higher time frames, the conditions, and all the other variables. And so I don't know. It's just been confusing me. I don't know what to look for. I just have to do what works for me. But literally, I don't know. I don't know, man. Um, Shit's really really bad right now, and the more these losses keep accumulating, I don't even want to say on the verge of quitting. Just it's hard, bro, and I had to just I don't know. It's really hard right now. I want to get this over with, so that's it. I'm gonna do my best to keep going, but it's just really hard right now. Just life in general too. I'm trying. I gotta try harder. God bless.